Dear friends, thank you for watching and subscribing the YouTube channel La Mathematics. If you are not a subscriber, please touch this bell icon for up-to-date videos. Welcome you all to a new episode of second year higher secondary mathematics classes.
Theorem 1. If A be any given square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A into I, where I is the identity matrix of order n. ഈ തിയറം 1 എന്നതിന് പ്രൂഫ് ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് സിലബസ് ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് പല ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ആവശ്യമുള്ള മറ്റൊരു തിയറാണ് തിയറം 1. A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A into I, where A is a square matrix of order n and I is the identity matrix of order n. A square matrix capital A is said to be singular if determinant A equal to 0. Example. Consider the matrix capital A equal to matrix 1, 2, 5, 10. Since determinant A equal to 0, capital A is a singular matrix. A square matrix capital A is said to be non-singular if determinant A not equal to 0. Example. Consider the matrix capital B equal to matrix 1, 2, 5, 8. Since determinant B not equal to 0, B is a non-singular matrix. Theorem 2. If capital A and capital B are non-singular matrices of the same order, then AB and BA are also non-singular matrices of the same order. Theorem 3. The determinant of the product of matrices is equal to product of their respective determinants. That is, determinant AB equal to determinant A into determinant B, where capital A and capital B are square matrices of the same order. Note: if capital A is a non-singular matrix of order n, then determinant adjoint A equal to determinant A raised to n minus 1. Order n, then power n minus 1. Determinant adjoint A equal to determinant A all raised to n minus 1. Theorem 4. A square matrix capital A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. Proof. Let capital A be invertible matrix of order n and capital I be the identity matrix of order n. Then there exists a square matrix capital B of order n such that AB equal to BA equal to I. Also, AB equal to I implies determinant AB equal to determinant I or determinant A into determinant B equal to I. Implies determinant A not equal to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular. ഇവിടെ A is invertible എന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് A is non-singular. That is, if A is invertible, then A is non-singular. Conversely, let capital A be non-singular. Then by definition, determinant A not equal to 0. By theorem 1, A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A into I. Dividing by determinant A, since determinant A not equal to 0. A into 1 by determinant A into adjoint A equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into A equal to I, or AB equal to BA equal to I, where B equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Thus, capital A is invertible and A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. ഈ ഫോർമുല ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടാണ് നാം ഇൻവേഴ്സ് കാണുന്നത്. That is, to find the inverse of a matrix, we use the formula A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A. Question number 26. Find adjoint of the following matrices. First, matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Second, matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 0, 1. Answer. First, let capital A equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. A11 equal to 1 implies minor M11 equal to 4. അതായത് 1ന്റെ മൈനർ കാണാൻ 1 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോയും കോളവും ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ ബാക്കി 4. A11 adjoint of A11 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11 equal to 4. A12 equal to 2, M12 equal to 3. Therefore, A12 equal to minus 3. A21 equal to 3. Therefore, M21 equal to 3 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get 2. A21 equal to minus 2. A22 equal to 4 implies M22 equal to 1 and A22 equal to 1. We have adjoint is transpose of cofactor. Adjoint A equal to capital A11, A21, A12, A22. Adjoint A equal to matrix 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. Second, let capital A equal to matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 0, 1. A11 equal to 1 implies M11 equal to 1 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant 3, 5, 0, 1. Expanding 3 into 1 minus 0 into 5 equal to 3. Therefore, minor of A11 equal to 3. A11 equal to 3. A12 equal to minus 1 implies M12 equal to minus 1 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant 2, 5, minus 2, 1. Then expanding 2 into 1 minus 2 into 5 equal to 12. Therefore, A12 equal to minus 12. A13 equal to 2. 2 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant 2, 3, minus 2, 0. Then expanding main diagonal 2 into 0 minus 2 into 3 equal to 6. Capital A13 equal to 6. A21 equal to 2. 2 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Therefore, M21 equal to minus 1 and A21 equal to 1. A22 equal to 3. That is 3 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant 1, 2, minus 2, 1. Expanding 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 equal to 5. A22 equal to 5. A23 equal to 5. A23 വരുന്ന 5 എന്ന എലമെന്റ് ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. Then expanding main diagonal 1 into 0 minus sub diagonal minus 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2. Therefore A23 equal to 2. A31 equal to minus 2. Minus 2 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant minus 1 2 3 5. Expanding minus 1 into 5 minus 3 into 2 equal to minus 11. Also A31 equal to minus 11. A32 equal to 0. 0 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant 1 2 2 5. Expanding 1 into 5 minus 2 into 2 equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Then A32 equal to minus 1. A33 equal to 1. 1 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോ കോളം ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ we get the determinant 1 minus 1 2 3. Therefore M33 equal to 5 and A33 equal to 5. We have adjoint is transpose of cofactor. Adjoint A equal to matrix capital A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33. That is adjoint A equal to matrix 3, 1, minus 11, minus 12, 5, minus 1, 6, 2, 5. Note, for a square matrix of order 2 given by capital A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, the adjoint A can also be obtained by interchanging A11 and A22. Main diagonal parasparam മാറ്റുന്നു. And by changing sign of A12 and 21, sub diagonalന്റെ ചിഹ്നവും മാറ്റുന്നു. പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആക്കുന്നു, നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആക്കുന്നു. That is adjoint A equal to changing sign sub diagonal A21, A12, change sign, and interchange A11 and A22. അതായത് A11ഉം A22ഉം പരസ്പരം മാറുന്നു, എന്നാൽ A21ഉം A12ന്റെയും ചിഹ്നവും മാറ്റിയാൽ we can easily find adjoint A. That is adjoint A equal to A22 minus A12 minus A21 A11. Question number 27. Verify that A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A into I, where capital A equal to matrix 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Answer. A11 equal to 2 implies M11 equal to minus 6 and A11 equal to minus 6. A12 equal to 3, M12 equal to minus 4, A12 equal to 4. A21 equal to minus 4 implies M21 equal to 3 and A21 equal to minus 3. A22 equal to minus 6 implies M22 equal to 2 and capital A22 equal to 2. Therefore adjoint A equal to matrix minus 6 minus 3 4 2, or by direct method we can find adjoint A sub diagonal change sign, main diagonal interchange. If capital A equal to matrix 2 minus 3 4 minus 6 implies adjoint A equal to minus 6 minus 3 4 2, അതായത് 2 minus 6 പരസ്പരം മാറ്റി എഴുതുന്നു. അതുപോലെ സബ് ഡയഗണലായ 3 എന്നത് -3യും -4 എന്നത് 4 ആയും എഴുതുന്നു. determinant A equal to product main diagonal minus sub-diagonal. 2 into minus 6 minus 4 into minus 3 equal to 0. Determinant A into I equal to 0 into matrix 1 0 0 1 equal to matrix 0 0 0 0. Equation number 1. A into adjoint A equal to matrix A into matrix adjoint A. By matrix multiplication, we get 0 0 0 0. Equation number 2. Adjoint A into A equal to adjoint A into matrix A. By using matrix multiplication, that is first row into first column, first row into second column, second row into first column, second row into second column, we get matrix 0 0 0 0. Question number 3. Using 1, 2 and 3, we get A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A into I.